Okay, y'all, so this is how it came out with putting everything in. This is how it came out. I did not braid down my hair on my own because I suck with parting. Like, as I said in the spring and bomb twist video, like, I did not even care. I was just plaiting it. Like, I did not even care. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I was sent this hair by a company from Amazon as well. They sent me 6 packs of their butterfly lock crochet braids, and I only used 4 packs. And really, honestly, this hair is so heavy, y'all. Like, I feel like with this hair, I should have did it all individual, like, if that makes sense. But it's heavy, but I do recommend the hair. It's nice. It is very easy to install. I didn't have any tangles. I didn't have no problems with, you know, any of the loops or crocheting it in, anything. But I do recommend for you to braid kind of small on your hair, because if you don't, it's going to be hard to get the crochet through. The links to this hair will be in the description box, so yeah, if you want to purchase it, you can go on and go to the description box. And I really do like it. Like, it's something cute, but I do recommend it. It was really nice, and the company had great customer service and everything. So y'all go check them out, for real, for real, for real. And you get what you pay for. It's honestly worth it, and honestly, you get more than what you're paying for, because if you use all 6 packs of hair on your head and it already looks like this, and this is only 4 packs, honey, you might as well just get ready to tumble. You're gonna be leaning over because it's gonna take you down with it. I'm not playing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys loved it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I post. And yeah, we're not playing over here. Stop playing. But yeah, I love you guys. Bye.